Trump considers Insurrection Act. Judge blocks federal guard in Portland. President Donald Trump says he would consider invoking the Insurrection Act in U.S. cities under specific conditions, as a federal judge in Oregon repeatedly blocks the deployment of federalized National Guard troops to Portland amid ongoing protests. Trump stated the act has not yet been necessary, emphasizing his goal to make cities safe and citing Washington, D.C. as an example of success. He indicated conditions for invoking the act could include people were being killed, or if courts, governors, or mayors impeded efforts to ensure safety. U.S. District Court Judge Karen Immergut has issued multiple temporary restraining orders, preventing federalized National Guard troops from California, Texas, and other states from deploying to Portland. The Trump administration appealed these decisions, arguing for constitutional authority to deploy troops and citing the potential for violence at demonstrations outside the ICE facility. Separately, groups plan to file lawsuits alleging civil rights violations and excessive force by federal agents and local law enforcement in Portland. The Insurrection Act of 1807 grants the president authority to deploy the U.S. military and federalize National Guard units within states to suppress civil disorder, serving as an exception to the Posse Comitatus Act.
When is their funding going to be cut off?
God bless President Donald J. Trump. Still need to hold these corrupt DOS and judges accountable.
As an Oregonian since 1984, I say with all my heart, while still loving this state geography, Portland city officials and that city lawyer as well as their socialist mayor and socialist governor should go intercourse themselves. They are all liars.
Who else thinks they're not using enough force?
It started with protesters using excessive force on federal officers.
Activist judges are evil and should be put in prison.